Hi, it's Michael Jovan with michaeljovan.com. It took me a while to come up with that name. Anyhow, today I want to show you how you can actually put a highlighter on your cursor, which is very effective when you're trying to show other people your computer screen, whether it's on Zoom or Skype or you're just doing the screen sharing. That's one of the questions I always get, so let's just dive into this. I'm on Windows 11. I'm going to show you the simplest way to do this. What you're going to do is you're going to go down here to your Microsoft Store. You're going to open that up. You're going to go up to the search field and you're going to just put in mouse pointer highlighter. Once you have that in, this is going to pop up. It's the first one. It looks like this. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and open that. If you don't already own it, you will download it yourself and then you will just push open. It's going to give you these different options here. I like the default setting, and then you can see now I will go ahead and have my highlighter. This makes it very effective when you're doing demonstrations or tutorials. If you're online, it's going to show you when you move your cursor around how that goes about, so you can go through and see. You can click and it allows your audience to follow along a lot easier. So that is a quick, very simple strategy to be a little bit more effective when you're posting things online. If you like this demonstration, please leave a comment below and subscribe. Thank you.